Do you want to speak English fluently, but grammar rules keep tripping you up? You try your best to remember tenses, verbs, and syntax, but the second you start talking, your mind goes completely blank. Today, I'm going to show you how to speak English easily and fluently without memorizing a single grammar rule. It's absolutely true. You don't need a stack of textbook rules to sound confident. In this video, I'll share a simple method that has already helped thousands of people speak faster, and you can start using it the second this video ends. So make sure to stick around until the very end. Let's look at a quick example. Think about the first time you got a smartphone. Did you read the entire instruction manual before turning it on? Of course not. You just started using it. You tapped the screen, made a few mistakes, learned as you went, and soon it became second nature. English works the exact same way. You don't need to master grammar before you start speaking. You just need to dive in, make small mistakes, and learn naturally through real-world practice. That is exactly how native speakers learn, not by opening grammar books, but by using the language in daily life. Most learners try to mentally construct sentences using strict formulas like subject plus verb plus object. But in a real conversation, you don't have time to process rules. You need to speak smoothly. That's why overstudying grammar can actually slow you down. Instead of focusing on isolated rules, start learning English in phrases. For instance, don't just memorize the word go, learn natural word combinations like go to school, go to work, or go out with friends. When you learn in chunks, your brain recognizes patterns automatically. You won't have to pause to think about which preposition to use. It'll just feel right. The next step is simple. Listen and repeat every single day. Listening is the ultimate shortcut to mastering grammar effortlessly. When you immerse yourself in real English, your brain absorbs the structure behind the scenes. You develop an intuition for what sounds correct. So find short videos, songs, or podcasts that you actually enjoy. Then repeat what you hear out loud. Don't just sit there silently. Open your mouth and mimic the speaker's tone and rhythm. Even repeating simple, everyday phrases builds massive confidence and refines your pronunciation. Another game-changing trick is to train yourself to think in English. It might feel a bit challenging at first, but it works wonders. Stop translating back and forth from your first language. Translation takes too long and usually messes up your sentence structure. Instead, start with small, direct thoughts. When you're tired, don't translate it from your first language. Just think directly. I'm tired, or it's raining, I'm hungry, I love coffee. These quick thoughts train your brain to stay in English mode, and over time, you'll naturally internalize the language. Here is the real secret. Fluency isn't about being perfect, it's just about consistency. Even practicing for 10 minutes a day can yield massive results. Put on an English audio story while you take a walk, repeat lines out loud while you're cooking, or chat with yourself in English before heading to bed. Make the language a natural part of your routine. The more you use it, the more effortless it becomes. So remember, let go of the stress around grammar rules. Focus on phrases, listen daily, speak out loud, and practice thinking in English. True fluency will follow, and the grammar will click naturally once your brain hears enough examples. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow English learners. And let me know in the comments below, do grammar rules confuse you too? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep smiling.